Hi, Bulldozer. How are you? Would you like to learn numbers with us today? Okay, Bulldozer. Let's learn your first number. Push one blue die into the first Meagle's cargo. Excellent, Bulldozer. Now let's push 2 yellow dice into the second Meagle's cargo. Well done, Bulldozer. That makes 2. Our next number is 3. Can you push 3 red dice into the third Meagle's cargo? Okay, let's go. Great job, Bulldozer. Our next number is 4. Way to go! Our last number is 5. Can you push 5 purple dice into the fifth Meagle's cargo? Well done, Bulldozer. You learned lots of numbers today. Would you like to sum this up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Krusty. How are you? Would you like to learn about the seasons today? Great, then let's go. Hi, Bulldozer. A flower. This is a sign that spring is here. Right, Bulldozer? Krusty, are you allergic to flowers? Hi, Tracodile. Oh, a pumpkin. Pumpkins grow in autumn. That's another season. Right, Tracodile? Do you like pumpkin, Krusty? Hi, Paleotrucks. Wow, a snowman. Snow falls in winter. Paleotrucks loves winter. What about you, Krusty? Are you cold? Hi, Truckle. What a nice beach umbrella you have here. We can use beach umbrellas to protect us from the sun during summer. That's the hot season. Right, Krusty? Krusty? There you are! Is summer your favorite season, Krusty? Awesome! We learned a lot today. Would you like to review the 4 seasons? Spring, autumn, winter, summer. See you soon, my friends! Hi, Bulldozer. How are you? Bulldozer is a mix between a vehicle and an animal. Do you know what he really is? Yes, a cow and a bulldozer. Hi, Wheelephant. Wheelephant is a mix between an excavator and an elephant. Torch, you're funny. Hi, Tracodile. Tracodile is a mix between a crocodile and a rock crusher. Hi, Meagle. Meagle is a mix between an eagle and a plane. Hi, G-Crane. G-Crane is a mix between a crane and a giraffe. Nice try, Torch. Hi, Truckle. Truckle is a mix between a turtle and a fire truck. Hi, Dump Trucks. Dump Trucks is a mix between a rhinoceros and a dump truck. Awesome, Torch! Hi, Krusty. Krusty is a mix between a mechanic and a silly crab. Well done, guys! We've learned lots of vehicles today and learned about our friends the Anima cars. See you soon, my friends!